Today we're going to rewrite numbers in scientific notation to standard form. Here are the 6 problems. Write each number in standard form. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Write each number in standard form. Question number 1. 2.35 times 10 to the power of 7. Since the power is 7, from the given number 2.35, we need to move the decimal point 7 places to the right. 1, 2, that means we need to add 5 more zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 23,500,000. Question number 2. 9.01 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Since the power is negative 4, this means we need to move the decimal point 4 places to the left. 1 place, that means we need to add 3 more zeros on the left side. 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 0.000901 and we write 0 before the decimal point. Question number 3. 2.34 times 10 to the power of negative 5. Since the power is negative 5, this means we need to move the decimal point 5 places to the left. 1 to the left, and this means we need to add 4 more zeros on the left side. 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 0.000234 and we write a 0 before the decimal point. Question number 4. The power is negative 2, so we move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 1 to the left, that means we need to add 1 more 0. So the answer is 0.0628. Question number 4. 3.14 times 10 to the 5th power. What do you think is the answer? Since the power is 5, we need to move the decimal point 5 places to the right. 1, 1, 2. That means we need to add 3 more zeros on the right. So we have 3, 1, 4, and 3 zeros. So the answer is 314,000. Question number 6. 2.35 times 10 to the 0 power. Recall that 10 to the 0 power is equal to 1. Using the zero exponent rule, which means that any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 2.35 times 1 is equal to 2.35. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.